not resist to leave these at the store, and yeah, let me show you what's inside. Okay, first, oh, these are so cute. Oh, I even see, oh no, that's rubber. Let me show you first what's inside. So they are 4, and they have, each block has 8 die cut sheets, 2 vellum quotes with foil, 8 pattern papers, they are 240 grams, and 1 glitter sheet. So lots to play with. So these you can push these out, these lovely nice little images, and then you have those, this vellum. I absolutely love that, so cute to use, so cute. Then we have the first design paper, and the back is white, so you don't have to choose perfect. Actually, I wish they did not made a hole in it, but okay, hope they will change that next time. So we have the gold foil, we have the dark green. Oh, this is so cute with that little bow, and then this red one, absolutely stunning. Then you have these words with this background, again a nice Christmas theme. This one, very delicate. Oh yeah, perfect, I love it. And then we come to more images, so cute, so much to which you can use. Another sheet, so much going on. Another one, and another one, and another one. This goes on and on and on. Absolutely amazing. So you can make lots of cards with these, of course, but you also can do other things, of course, and another vellum. And so that's the first one. Let's go to the next one and go trying to make this as quick as possible. This one is the silver one, silver vellum, silver glitter, black and white. I think I want to make a few quick projects with these, and that's what I'm planning to do. At least I'm gonna try to do a quick project with these, and I bet I am not going to use all those images. Oh my gosh, I love these gnomes. But you can, even if you want to make cards with these images, absolutely it can. Everything you can do with all these images. And another vellum. So cute. Okay, quick one. Let's go to the next one. This is one of my favorites with all those images. A nice gold one with black and white. Nice gold. Nice trees. Oh my gosh, I love these. And it's very good sturdy papers. So yeah, this is nicely natural colors. So yeah, I could have choose perhaps 2 or 3. Oh, look at this fox. But there were 4 different ones, so I had to grab them all because I just liked it. I was still searching for a nice Christmas theme, and yeah, I just love this one, and I saw it in the store, and I just grabbed it. I grabbed all 4. So yeah, lots to play with. Look at this. Oh, that's amazing. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love it. I love it, love it. Yeah, I hope I can turn my Christmas music on the background while I'm doing this. I love this. Oh my gosh, look at these images. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yay. Oh my goodness, they are amazing. Oh, this is absolutely nice vintage. So cool. How about a journal or an explosion box or a quick folio or yeah, too much going on. So I'm just going to start with the first one and just see what happens. And yeah, let's see what I did already search some items out that fits with these papers, and yeah, let's see what I can make of this. Cool. I am gonna start with this looks paper block. Need to turn off my sound. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I am gonna well, let me first cut out the design paper. Gonna do this gentle as possible. Okay. Okay. So here we have all the design paper. So we still have the quote. Oh my gosh, we still have lots and lots to play with. But I will keep those in here. I think that's better. This one I like too. Let's see if I can use this too. I don't know. But on the back it will say what's inside. So you have 8 design papers, 1 glitter, 2 vellum with quotes, and you have 8 cute images. Alright, so that is what we're going to do first. Okay, this I'm gonna keep because I still can use those strips, and perhaps, I don't know just yet, perhaps I can use that image. I don't know, I don't think so, but we'll just save it for that. Alright, so where is that glitter? Here is the glitter page. Okay, what we have? We have a nice wet one, a white, well, it's not completely white, but I'm just going to see what I have. A half. Okay, I like this. Okay, so what do you think? What can we make of this? I'm gonna start with an explosion box. What do you think? Yep, I'm gonna do that. So let's see what measurements I am gonna need. Okay, I'm just going to make a follow along video. Let's see how it went. I'm gonna make a 4x4. Shall we make a 4x4 the explosion box? Or shall we make it higher? Because this is, let's make it higher, why not? Let's make this the half of this, and that's the 8.5, so that will be 4 1/4. I think that's perfect. 4 1/4. I need to measure. Just follow along with me. Let's make this 4 1/4. And then let's make this higher. So what's this? This is, let's say this 8.5, 6, 5. Let's make it 5. 4, 1/4 by, let's say 5.5 by 5.5, then is 11. Yep, 5.5 by 5.5. Let's do that. Diane, this was not very handy. Wait just a second. Otherwise my fingers are all over the place. So let's see, 4.5 by 5.5. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so what we need is a 4.5 by 5.5. I'm gonna make this. Yeah, this is hard. Yeah. Let's measure this because my 5.5 is just in the middle at my scoring board. So I'm gonna score this at 5.5, and then I need to cut this down, of course, 5.5 more. 5.5 then is 11. So I need to cut this down at 11. And just go with the flow, see what happens. It's so long ago that I make a explosion box. So I'm just going to see what happens. So first I am gonna 5.5, 5.5, and then 4.5. Okay. And of course we do not need to measure that. We can cut that down at 4.5. And because I want to make another one, of course. So it has more stability. Yeah. Then I had to make one at 4.5 and one at 5.5. Oh yeah. Okay, so that means that I need to cut this down at 4.5. Okay, my mistake. But we need those more. So let's see. I can cut this at 4 and 5.5. Let's wait just a second. This needs to be, I can only use 2, but this, the rest can be done. So yeah, let's cut this at 5.5. And no, this needs to be 4.5. Oh yeah. 4.5, of course. Diane, what are you thinking? And then we need to score at 5.5. I think that was it. Oh yes, it was. So if I have, so this is the bottom piece. This is the bottom, and then the next one goes on top, and it does not need to be that perfect all the way around. Yeah, I think this one needs to be just a little smaller, but that needs to be done. Okay. Okay, let's cut this just a little shorter, otherwise it won't fit. And then I'm going to make the better, oh yeah, this is way better. Okay, so what is needed, I need to cut this down at 4.5, and then I need to score this at 5.5. So I'm gonna make my measurement, and then I'm scoring at that 5.5, and then I'm gonna fold this in half, and then we have another one. Let's see. Yes, now it fits perfectly. Okay. Of course we need another one. Just follow along. Now I'm just going to give you the correct measurements in just a second. This is just a tryout for me. I will delete this. Shall I delete this? Yes, I will. Okay, I am gonna apply this. Now the next one I am gonna use a glue that's a little more wiggable. Okay, and then the next one goes in here, and now you can check how good it is, because we do like a little wiggling. Yes. Okay, and now of course we need one more of that 4.5, and then at 5.5. Fold it, make sure it's straight, and then this can attach. Okay, let's attach this, and now we can wiggle a little, because you want that this fold line just goes nicely on this curve. Yes, fits nice, nice, nice. Okay, so now that we made this a little deeper, like this hinge or something, so now we have create a nice sturdy bottom. That is why we attached just a few. Okay, so this can go nicely in just like this. Oh yeah, that fits nice. That's perfect. Okay, so yeah, that's good. Good, 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 good. Okay, perfect. And now we are going to make the lids. And the lid, I am gonna make that, of course, 4.5 by 4.5. But, where is my... This can, yeah, I'm gonna make this just 4.5 by 4.5, because if you are going to put this up, it will be a little in, just like this. So yeah, just make it 1 millimeter larger. So what I'm gonna do is, how deep do we want? Do you know the easiest way to do that is to grab a piece that is 4.5 by 4.5. I'm just going to show you real quick. So we need to make it 4.5 by 4.5, but I want to make it just 1 millimeter larger. Yeah, just a slice. Just a slice. Okay, so again, 4.5 by 4.5, but a slightly bigger. Okay, so when we have this is just a scrap queen way, guys. It's so much easier. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna attach this. So it's already nicely sturdy. Okay, I'm going to glue this on here. And now I am going to cut all the way around. Let's say shall we make this? Well, this is 1 inch, but it's actually 1/4. Shall we make this 1/4 all the way around? Shall we do that? Let's do that. So I'm gonna cut this. Let's say. Okay, black on black is very difficult to see, of course. So 1/4. And let's just measure this all the way around and then just cut it. Let's just cut it down. That space right there, 1/4, 1/4. Yes, 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 yes. This is also 1/4. This needs to be 1/4. And of course you can do this the other way, or you just can measure or something like that, but I just like go with the flow. Okay, now let's see. 1/4, and of course if I cut that bottom piece already larger than it would be, well, this is just my way. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my bone folder. I'm gonna score a little all the way around, all the way around. Okay, I'm just going to fold this down. That's 1. 2. 3, 4. Okay, that was easy. Let's grab my scissor and I'm gonna cut one way, 2 way, 3 way, 4-way. Right, so now we can make this nicely in here. Okay. Yay. So let's glue this on each other. Nice straight. Nicely in that corner. So I'm just going to lift this up so the corner can be folded down nice. And the last piece, I think the last piece has just a little, no, it's just a little. A little off track. See? Right here. But we can make that nice. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna cut just a little off here. See how I can do that. I'm just going to do that with my scissor. Just a little. Yeah, see, that's good. Now I see that my cutting from the memory keepers is not completely perfect. Should have done that with my fiskars. But the lid is ready. So let's see if that fits. Of course it's fitting because okay, so now yeah, this fits. Yay. See, and of course this is very flimsy just yet, but the idea is already there. So cool. Okay. Yep, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna test something out. I don't know, I have something in my mind. Oh, there, yeah, here. There is something I have in my mind. Well, I did once make an explosion box, and when that was ready, I noticed that yeah, if you are doing things on here, then this will has little gaps. I don't like that, so I'm gonna try something to do that. So I have no idea if this is going to be working, but we'll see. The planning is what I like to do is let's see, how many can I make that out of one? I am gonna make, definitely gonna cut with my other piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make exactly the same size, but let's say, yeah, I know this is 5.5, but we do like that a millimeter smaller. So I'm gonna cut mine at 5.5. I hate my fiskars. Well, it's not that I hate it, but my 5.5 there isn't a 5.5, so I hate that. So I'm gonna see if I can make, or oh yeah, I do have a 5.5. Oh. Okay, I am gonna try something out. I'm gonna cut my paper at 5.5, and then I'm gonna make a flippity flop. Just going to see what is happening. I am just going to try something. I need to score this way better. Otherwise it gets... This is way better. Yeah! Okay. Alright. And of course we need to cut this at, what was it? 4.5. Oh yes. Cut this at 4.5 and let's stay 1 millimeter away. Okay. So what if I place this on here? Okay, is this needs to be 1 millimeter smaller. We need that space, not bumping. Yeah, this is perfect. So I'm just going to try it out, guys. Oh yeah, I am gonna try it out. Okay, I'm in the mood for trying things out. I love that. And you know me, I am a go with the flow queen. Alright, so stay away from those edges. Okay, now what happens if I do this all four? Can I then close this like this? I think I can. I think I can. So I'm gonna make 4 of those and then stay tuned. Okay, so what I did was I'm gonna cut this 1 millimeter shorter, and then you know me, I like to score first. Then I am gonna cut this 1 millimeter smaller. Now this is the first, and then this one needs to go here. Okie dokie. Let's glue this on here. Okay. Stay away from those edges. Just a tiny bit. Yep. See what happens. So you can, if this is all done, you can put your first and then the second. Ooh, and then a nice one, and then it all, yes, like it. Okay. I'm just going to stay with you guys. Go with the flow. Okay, I'm just going to make that 5.5. And yes, I am going to score again first. Then I am going to cut this a slightly smaller than the 4.5. Alright, so here we have that first one, and this is the next one. Okay, let's glue it on. Okie dokie. Okay, be nicely to your base, not overlapping. That's why we cut this down just a slightly smaller. Okay, this looks nice. Last one. I have to grab another piece of paper. 1 millimeter smaller. I like to score first before I cut my papers. And then I'm going to cut this at 4.5, but stay away from that 1 millimeter. Wait just a second. This is not fairly nicely fall down. Ooh. Let me check. Check. No, this is not firmly perfectly straight. Diane, do it correctly. Please do it correctly. You need to be focusing and not do it too fast. Okay. See, even I can do that. Yeah. Now it's perfectly. Ooh, okay. Why am I talking so strange? I don't know. I'm just getting excited. Okay, let's put this nicely in the middle. And then it looks like this. This looks really odd, but, okay. So when you are done, there is 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, yay! And then this all fits way better. It does, and it gives you another flippity flop where you can add an, oh yes, I love this way better. Yeah. I like it. Wait just a second, because this needs to go in and this needs to go in, and then, but you also can, no, there's always something in. Well, wait, this needs to go in. Yes, this is the correct order. Oh, yes, look. So now, this is way sturdier. Perfect. I like it. This is cool. This is awesome. I like that. All right. Okay, guys. Do I need another man? Do I need to make another one? Or do you like my go with the flow? Okay, I like this. I am gonna add some papers on first. So this is, open this up. Ta-da! And then you have all those nice, yeah, that is cool. That is cool. So how many papers do we use already? We can make 2, we can use 4 pages out of 1, but that is already the issue. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 pages. Okay, so we have 4 pages. And I'm not going to use that one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages are necessary. Okay, then we have 1, 2, 3 pages we have left, and these ones. Okay, that's still enough, I think. I think it is. Okay, let's see. But what I have in mind is, let's use 2, because yeah, we only have 8 papers, and so I'm gonna mix 2 paper pads. So I'm grabbing the 2 paper pads that have both the silver. And those 2 paper packs I am gonna mix. Okay, that is what I'm gonna do. That I think is necessary because I still want something in here, of course. So I'm gonna mix those two paper. Let's see. Okay, so now we have 2 silver ones. Perfect to make a nice little something. And we do have these nicely ones. And I'm gonna mix those with those 2, with those papers. So what do you think? Yes, 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 I can feel it. These matches. Yes, I am gonna make the matches. Yes, I am. I'm gonna mix and match these 2. That's perfect. Yep, I'm gonna do that. So, yeah, shall we start at the yeah. Yep. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, gosh. I love this. I love this. I don't know. What I do like to use is, I always like to see my papers in one direction. At one. So I like to use this, and then I will put this right there, same as this one. I am gonna sort these out so I am see those matching perfectly. And now I am gonna do first the outside, so I have the best options for the outside. Okay, what do you think? That is perfect. Alright, so that is what I'm gonna do first. So the measurements of the outside, that is not this one. Of course, you have to make sure that we are going to take it outside. So that is what I'm gonna measure, what is needed. And of course I do like a little space. So I'm gonna use my 538. I'm gonna write that down. 538 by by, I'm gonna cut this at 438 by 438. So those 4 pieces I am gonna cut, and I'm gonna search that. Okay. And that I'm gonna do with some nice Christmas music. Get in the mood. I like that. Strangest thing ever happened. I thought it was already time to make my dinner, but oh my gosh, I totally forgot to set the clock perfectly today. Okay. Alright, so I do have a bit time to show you what I did for the outside, and yeah, it's pretty sturdy. So what I did, well, this is going to be my front. So I used this little image. And then I used these little cute images for this side. And this lovely piece on this side. And then Santa Claus on the back. Then I used some green for the top and this black and white for the sides. Now the only thing I did extra was some brown paper, just slightly to be seen. I glued it underneath the design paper, so it's a little more sturdy. So that is why what I did, only to reassure it will be sturdy enough. So yeah, so this is going to be my front. I don't know if I'm gonna put something, well actually there is no front. You can use it everything, but I assume that this is going to be the front. So yeah, and when you lift this up it will stay nicely. Alright, but it's heavy. When it's heavy, this will lift it all up. Alright, so yay! Okay, I like how this turns out. And now I am going to be seeing what more can I put in here. Alright, this fits perfectly. I like it. I like how this turns out. So cool. Okay, but I think for now it is time to cook my dinner. Alright.